Hello everyone and welcome back to our ServiceNow HRSD series. In today's video, we will explore the integration of HRSD with incident and problem management, which helps improve employee service quality and operational efficiency. In this session, we will cover the role of incident and problem management in HRSD, how to configure HRSD for incident tracking, linking HR problems to root cause for resolution, and real world use cases of HRSD and ITSM integration. Let's begin. Introduction to incident and problem management. Incident and problem management are critical ITSM processes that help organization resolve service disruptions and recurring issues efficiently. Incident management focuses on resolving employee reported issues as quickly as possible. For example, HR portal access problems, payroll errors, or system login failures. Then problem management aims to identify and eliminate the root cause of incidents, helps reduce recurring HR issues like frequent payrolls errors or benefit processing delays. The benefits of integration with HRSD: faster issue resolution by linking HR cases to ITSM incidents, better visibility into recurring HR service problems, improved employee experience through proactive HR issue management. Then common HR incident and problems. HR incidents are like system access issues, benefits claim delays, or incorrect paychecks, and HR problems are payroll processing errors, recurring IT login issues, and compliance violations. Enhancing employee service quality: we can enhance the employee service quality by automating our processes and for faster resolution of incident and problems, it is necessary to automate the whole process. Configuring HRSD with incident management. To integrate incident management with HRSD, we need to configure workflows and automation to ensure a seamless process. Setting up incident workflows for HR cases. HR cases can be linked to ServiceNow incident management with technical issues arise. For example, an employee reports that they cannot access the HR portal. This can trigger an HRSD case linked to an ITSM incident. Linking HR cases to IT incidents. HRSD allows HR teams to automatically escalate IT related HR cases to IT support teams. Ensures quick resolution of system login failures, payroll software errors, and employee data access issues. Then automating HR incident notifications. Automated email and chat notifications can be configured to inform employees and HR agents about incident progress. It helps in providing real-time updates and setting clear expectations. Then managing escalations for HR problems. If an HR issue is not resolved within SLA, it can be escalated to higher support levels. For example, payroll processing failures can be escalated to finance or IT teams for quicker resolution. HRSD and problem management. Problem management helps HR teams identify root cause of recurring incidents and implement permanent fix. It identifying recurring HR issues. HR teams can use report and analytics to support trends in common HR incidents. For example, if multiple employees report incorrect leave balance, it could indicate an issue with HR system configurations. Then linking case to problem records. HR case related to the same issue can be grouped under a single problem record. It helps HR teams avoid handling duplicate cases separately. Then resolving root cause in HR processes. Instead of fixing individual cases, HR teams can address the underlying issue to prevent future incidents. For example, if an employee consistently face payroll errors, the HR team can work with finance and IT to fix payroll configuration. Then monitoring HRSD problem resolution. ServiceNow provides real-time dashboards to track HR problem resolution progress. It helps HR teams to ensure that critical issues are resolved quickly and do not reoccur. Real world use cases. Let's look at some real world examples of how HRSD integrate with incident and problem management to improve HR operations. Managing system access issues. Problem: employee cannot access the HR portal due to IT authentication failures. And solution: HR creates an incident linked to IT support. IT resolved the login issue. Employee regain access. Resolving payroll or benefit problems. If the problem is that employee receives incorrect salaries due to payroll system errors, then the solution for this problem is that the HR identifies the root cause, works with finance and IT, fixes payroll configuration, then automating escalation to IT support. For example, an employee cannot submit a benefits enrollment request due to system error, then the solution is HR case is automatically linked to an IT incident, ensuring quick resolution. Then reducing repetitive HR incidents. Like multiple employee report issues with remote access to HR service, then HRSD analytics detect a trend and it implements a permanent fix to improve VPN and HR system access. That wraps up today's session on HRSD incident and problem management integration. We covered what incident and problem management are and why they matter, configuration HRSD for incident tracking and problem resolution, real world use cases demonstrating HRSD and ITSM integration. By integrating incident and problem management with HRSD, organization can resolve HR issue faster, reduce service disruptions and improve employee experience. See you in next video. Thank you.